Hello, I am back sana Nastruita top 10 ZimDancehall albums. Yes, and let me tell you something, this was not hard. Same ghetto youths, I know things, right? Pa number 10, Say Colors, Lovers Reggae album, which was released in 2018. And then pa number 9, Tina Winky D, Gafa Futi, which was released in 2016. And then pa number 8, Tina Freeman, Ne Trophy album, which was released in 2023. Ew! And then on number 7, we have Killer T with Mashoko Anofura, which was released in 2018. Demfino. Number 6, Tina Freeman Jakari Aine Top Striker album, which was released in 2017. Yes, sire. And then on number 5, we have Soulja Love Zihombe Ziripandiri, which was released in 2019. And may his soul continue to rest in peace. And then on number 4, we have Say Colors with Banditi Rebirth, which was released in 2015. Now let's breathe in and out. But number 3, Tina Natio with Mustard Seed, which was released in 2021. Ndandi after Ndandi. Yo. And then on number 2, we have Winky D with Gafa Kickstep. Ndo ere patakaita transition from being Maninja to Gafa? I think so. And on number 1, we have Killer T with Ngomandaimba album, which was released in 2015. Now this is the list of the top 10 ZimDancehall albums ever. Tell me, what do you guys think?